Hi everyone, it's Robin Clayton here with another episode of Zodacy at the Farm. It's so great to have you back here on my channel. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you to my area of creativity, which is glass flowers. So today we are going to be working on a three-piece flower, which is absolutely magnificent. It's a three-piece ensemble. I've got this beautiful Macasa flower petal followed by this Murano style flower petal that is quite heavy. Both of these pieces are quite heavy. And then I've got this beautiful red orb to finish off this piece. And I've also got my beautiful supporting hook that joins it all together. All right, so I hope that you will stay with me because I'm going to give you the tips from A to Z on how to make these beautiful glass flowers for your home or for your garden. All right, see you soon. Hey folks, okay, we're going to move on now to the items that you're going to need to complete this project, and then we will go ahead and move to the assembly portion of this video. Okay, see you soon. Hey folks, okay, I'm going to bring the camera down so I can show you the list of items that you're going to need to complete this project. Okay, here we go. All right, so you're going to need your dishes already set up and ready to go. You're going to need a toggle bolt and a toggle, followed by your washers that you're going to be using. I've got these rubber washers that I use. I get them off of Amazon, but you can get them at your local hardware store. I've got a Phillips head screwdriver that will help me to screw this in. I've got an interior stand if you're going to be mounting it inside, and I also have an exterior stand. This piece is actually conduit, all right, so it's quite strong. It'll withstand the elements outside if you're going to be mounting this outside. All right, I think that's pretty much everything. If I'm missing anything, it will be listed in the description box below. All right, see you soon. Okay, folks, here are the three pieces that I'm going to be using for this particular piece today. So always make sure that your dishes are assembled and ready to go. I've already pre-drilled the holes on these particular pieces. If you have questions on how to drill, you can go to some of my former episodes. Today I'm just going to be assembling the flower today. I've got 3 washers that I'm going to be using. I've got a hook that I'm also going to be using in order to secure the pieces together, along with a toggle and a toggle bolt. And I'm also going to need my Phillips head screwdriver to go ahead and assemble this. Make sure that you always clean your dishes ahead of time and as you go, so that you get a beautifully finished product when you're done. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and separate these pieces real quick. This is a gorgeous white Macasa that I infamously use in a lot of my pieces. I found this beautiful Murano style flower petal and I went ahead and drilled the hole in it, followed by this beautiful red glass orb. So let's go ahead and put this to the side for right now. I'm going to start with the main piece, and I'm going to just carefully turn this over, and I'm going to go ahead and put down my washer there. I went ahead and painted this toggle red so that it won't show up inside the ball, or it will be less visible, if you will. All right, so I'm going to take my hook. I'm going to stick this straight through just like that, and then I'm going to take my washer and stick that straight through just like that, and I'm going to go ahead and put that straight through the flower. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and take another washer and put that straight through just like that. I'm going to grab my flower petal, and I'm going to go ahead and stick that straight through so it sits just nicely right there in the center, and then I'm going to put another washer right there in the middle. I'm going to then take my toggle and I'm going to go ahead and start the toggle to get that going. And it may take you, this is a smaller toggle, so it may take you a little bit of time to get it going, but once you get it started, it'll be great. Okay, and then I'm just going to tighten that down with my finger. Just like that. I'm going to take my ball and I'm going to push that straight through. Just like that until the toggle takes the orb, just as it's done right there. Okay, so once I've got that toggle in, I'm going to carefully turn this over on its side. I'm going to take my Phillips head screwdriver and proceed to tighten this toggle straight down. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? Turn it over to the back. There's the back side of this. Turn it back over to the front. And that is absolutely a gorgeous piece. It will show beautifully indoors and out. Okay, all right, let's move on to showing this on a stand and showing this on an external stand. Hey folks, okay, I want to go ahead and show you what this piece actually looks like on a stand. All right, so here it is on a stand that you would mount in your home. And as you can see, this is such a beautiful piece. It would make such a great centerpiece in your home, and preferably near a window, because it would actually bring out these greens and these reds, and of course these crystal flower petal as well. So I think it looks absolutely magnificent. I love Micasas. That type of glass is just so beautiful, the way they've made these beautiful flowers. So there it is on this beautiful stand. I think it looks incredible. All right, so let me take it off the internal stand, or a stand you would mount inside your home. And then I've got this piece of conduit. You can use whatever you choose from an external standpoint. And my hook, and I'm just going to stick that right inside there, just like that. And here it is. Here is the piece on the stand, and it sits very well on the stand. Okay, snug as a bug in a rug. Okay, that looks absolutely amazing on the stand. Show it to you closer so you can see all the fine details. All right, so there it is. A beautiful glass flower for your home or for your garden. And then let me give you one last view of this. Okay, here it is. This is a beautiful glass flower. I just absolutely think it looks magnificent. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this episode here today. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can put your comments in the description box below. You can also email me at hurricane4cr@gmail.com. And I will dutifully and fastidiously respond. If you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you can find them on my website at zodiseeatthefarm.com. You can also find these pieces on Etsy under Robin Clayton Zodisee Glass Shop, and I will put that link in the description box below as well. Okay, so I hope you, again, love this piece. I hope you've gotten something out of the video. I hope you have a great month and a great week, and many blessings sent your way, and I hope to see you next week here at Zodisee at the Farm. Take care. Bye-bye.